Ano ba yung mga tips pwede kong ibigay sa mga taong apektado ng retrogression? So, especially sa mga hindi pa talaga nasa pila papuntang United States, I would really suggest po going elsewhere. Okay? Go to Singapore, go to Saudi, Middle East, UK, anywhere po. Okay? That will help you in a lot of ways po. Financially, makakaipon pala talaga kayo. Tapos, professionally, mag-grow kayo. Tapos, makuha nyo yung pag-explore na ibang country and makuha nyo kahit paano how it feels like to be a foreigner po outside of the Philippines. It really helps you grow po. Huwag nyo masyadong sayangin yung oras nyo na kakaantay tapos hindi kayo sure. It's best for you just to go elsewhere and doon na po kayo mag-apply for your US interview or visa interview. Okay? That's what we did po. Ako po pumunta sa Singapore and I did all my paperworks po dito sa Pilipinas via mail documentation lang. Tapos, nagpa-schedule na ako ng visa interview doon po sa Singapore. So, that's how I did po for me and my wife. One thing I suggest po, if pupunta kayo ng ibang bansa, try to file po like for NBA clearance, police clearance, and those kind of things po if nasa ibang bansa ka kayo. Okay? Just to see how the process is. Okay lang gumastos ng konti para at least, or mag-research na kayo kung how nyo gagawin yun pagdating sa time na kailangan nyo ng paperworks na yun. If you don't want naman po umalis ng Pilipinas, there's also other ways po for you. Of course, pwede kayo magstay sa Pilipinas, mag-work as a bedside nurse. It helps you get more experience, to be more confident po para pagdating nyo dito sa US, less mistakes po. Okay? And you don't want to commit mistakes while dito kayo sa US. You want to do your crawling or stepping stones po while nasa Pilipinas kayo kung saan hindi pa masyadong stricto. Okay? So, that's one thing. It's nice here because may mga laws nag-imply, pero if you make a mistake din po, of course, medyo problemado din tayo. Okay? So, it works both ways po. So, I really highly suggest if wala kang experience, try to get experience po from Philippines. Okay? That's one of the best place for you to get experience po in order for you to be more competent po coming here to the US. Mga medyo gipit naman dyan and ayaw nyo mag-abroad, you can always work po as like in BPO companies. It doesn't mean na BPO companies puro calls lang and kalaswaan, mga ganun. So that's how people normally think about yung BPO companies. Hindi ganun po. Okay? That's one really way po to earn good money. And depende sa agency nyo, ask nyo sa kanila if pwede ba kayo mag-work without experience or pursue yung dream nyo, yung route na yun without current bedside experience. If sinabi oo, then go with those kind of ways po. It really helps. Okay? I've done the same thing before po. It's one of the best times sa life ko. Na-enjoy ko talaga pag-work sa BPO. A lot of rewards, a lot of friends, a lot of chill moments. Hindi ganun ka-stressful versus sa Pilipinas. And of course, ito, money. So, I really enjoyed yung worth ng money ko during those times. Some agency would require you to be currently on bedside experience and some would not po. Okay? So, ask them, communicate with them. And I think in other ways po, pwede kayo kumuha ng experience kahit maybe like once a week or twice a week na work sa ibang place kahit hindi kayo binabayaran. So, try to check with other hospitals. Baka medyo kailangan nila ng staff. I'm sure kailangan nila ng staff. Baka pwede nyo gawa ng paraan kung saan pwede kayo singit sa mga ganun moments. So, give and take, diba? So, I really wish na may mga ganun program na sa Pilipinas para at least makater yung mga ganitong klaseng scenario. Then last but not the least po, amang suggest ko dyan is enjoy nyo po yung time na wala ka sa United States. Yes, it's nice to be here sa US pero iba pa rin po yung Pilipinas. Iba po talaga yung Asian countries. For most things, food-wise, family, yun, i-enjoy nyo talaga yung family, yung mga gala, yung mga malls. So, there are a lot of things to be thankful po if nasa Pilipinas kayo. Okay? For me, especially the family. The family part, bonding with friends, those kind of things, medyo malaking loss yan pagdating nyo dito sa United States. May mga replacement but there's nothing like home talaga. Use your time wisely po since wala pa kayo dito sa US, wala pa yung processing. So just enjoy the time that you have kahit kasi may retrogression ba. There's always a reason po kung bakit yung mga bagay-bagay na to is hindi sumasang-ayon sa plano mo. Okay? In some instances po, yung plan na binibigay sa'yo is much better versus sa plan na nasa isip mo. Okay? So yun lang. God bless. And by the way po, Happy Father's Day po sa lahat ng tatay dyan. Okay?